Hi, my name's Dale Nelson, and I run digitalmarketingcurator.com. And I'm here to talk about an acquaintance of mine, Jason, who's made easy WordPress Gutenberg. It's a series of 9 videos, training videos that teach you the ins and outs and in-depth training on using the new Gutenberg editor in WordPress. And here's the thing, you get PLR for it also. So not will you only help yourself, you'll be able to help your customers also. And if you're not familiar with PLR, it's public label rights. So you can't give it away for free, you can't put it on a free membership, you can pretty much do anything else you want with it. Cut it up, make a video transcript, sell it, yada yada. And by the way, I'm going to go back to the home office, and I'll talk more in depth about it.
Well, all right. Here we are. By the way, I have to apologize for the music in the background. I was cranking some blues, and I didn't bother reshooting the video. Pardon. So, what is Easy WordPress Gutenberg all about? It's a way to get over the learning curve, so you can learn to use the Gutenberg editor like a pro. Even if you're completely new to it. It consists of 9-part video training, and you can watch over Jason's shoulder and really understand how to use the editor more in depth, even if you've never used WordPress before. Now on this page there's a video which he briefly kind of goes over what the Gutenberg videos are all about. Now, in addition to that, I'll throw up some information what the videos are all about here. Video 1 is Introduction to Gutenberg. Video 2 is a quick overview of the interface. Understanding blocks in video 3, using the sidebar in video 4, common blocks in video 5, formatting blocks in video 6, and layout elements in video 7. And video 8 is not ready for Gutenberg. Now, I believe you can still use the classic version if you want. I think that's what that refers to. Let's head down here. Now this is all about the PLR that you can sell. Uses sales aids to sell the ebook to and the videos to your customer. Of course, you get the PLR videos. They're not branded with Jason's logo or anything, so you're good to go on that. I always like getting a sales letter when I get PLR. It just makes your life so much easier, and that's included. Of course, you get all the graphic designs. I believe and you get them in PSD files, so you can redesign them yourself or hire someone to put your logo, your design on it if you want. And you get the transcripts and even audio MP3s for that. Now there's different price points, different OTOs, one-time offers. At the front end you get the 9 videos. For now it's on, when I last looked it was $8.82. OTO 1 is you get that sales video plus you get an upgrade on all the sales materials too that go with that. OTO 2, Jason runs a membership course, and it's an introductory at close to $3, and if you stick with it, it's $17 a month. Now these last 2 are how to use PLR. He talks about setting up a PLR funnel in OTO 3, and in OTO 4 he talks about a video formula. Now here's the good part. My bonuses on my bonus page, which by the way you have to buy Easy WordPress Gutenberg through my link, and you'll get access to these. They're 100% free. They just come with your order if you order through my link. This is also a checklist that will keep you on track to do everything that you need to do to make the PLR yours, unique, and sell it. And as you can see, there's a whole list here. There's like 18 of these things, and including an Excel file. Let me show you a sample of the checklist. This is number 2, and there's 18 of these, just to give you an idea. You can print them out, and if you want to do this step or not, or if you completed it at the date your project. Here's the checklist in a Excel format, if you want. And once again, there's the different lists and so forth. Let's go back to here. Yeah, profit from PLR is another course on how to really profit from PLR products. You learn the steps, the tools, the resources, the best ways to make money from private label rights and content. Excuse me. This includes a HTML mind map, very colorful. But here again, you have, if anything, I'm putting out with my bonuses plenty of ways so you don't get you can follow step by step and get the best use out of your PLR purchase. Let's put it that way. My bonus number 3 is kind of a quick and dirty, very short read. Might be something, if you're new to PLR, just give this a quick read. It kind of gives you a real general overview of what you can do with it and how you can change it to your use. I've also included my list of who I think are the best PLR sellers. And Jason's on the list, by the way. They're like the top names. I've bought stuff, not from all of them, but most of them. It's top quality stuff, very unique. They're all English speaking, etc. And between all of them, they cover health, business, self-help, personal relationships, weight loss, fitness, and there's a bunch more categories. Now I went out and found some videos. This one in particular is about an hour and a half long. Once again, how to repurpose, how to create unique content with using PLR as a starting point. This is kind of the same thing, but probably more on a self-help PLR usage, how to use that. This is make money on YouTube with PLR products. This is 6 ways to repurpose a simple tip sheet. And finally, this ends my bonus part, is simple ways to make your PLR unique. Now, once again, you only get these bonuses, these 9 bonuses from me if you buy through my link. And by the way, it's automatically delivered. It's 100% free. You'll follow this down here. If you're, this will be through Warrior Plus. There'll be this little button below the access your actual purchase. When you purchase Gutenberg, then you click this and you'll get instant delivery of my bonuses. And there's my ugly mug. All right, I'm going to shoot you back to the clip that I shot earlier, and I promise there's no music.
Well, there you have it. That's a skinny on the new 9 videos that Jason has put out. Here's the thing. I know you can find all this information for free, but you're not going to get PLR to it. That's an advantage. You make back the cost of the course easily. A couple of sales, in addition to helping out your customer. Oh, and one other thing. My bonuses will be right at the bottom. It's like a blue bar below. Once you get into Warrior Plus or JV Zoo, it'll be a blue button. And it'll say something like access the PLR, access my bonuses. All right. I really hope to see you on the other side. Thanks.